Hello everyone and welcome to the Modern Money channel. Every day in this channel I will share a list of hot stocks that have potential to move higher in the following days. So in order to get informed about the next potential hot stocks, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos for the YouTube algorithms. Then the next hot stocks to watch are Snow, Bubba, and GM. Let's go to the trading chart in here and let's look at Snow first. As you can see here, Snow was kind of in a downtrend. Actually, it was like moving higher, but it's now in a downtrend and reaching to a resistance area. And as you can see, it is kind of forming a falling wedge. And I believe if the stock can break above about 280, 290 area, which is a resistance in this area, it has potential to move to reach to this area at around maybe 40 area within the next following days. So please keep this stock in your watch list, and if it breaks this area, you can consider to look for buys. The next stock in our watch list is MNST. So as you can see, MNST was in a bull trend for a long time, and now we are in a retracement area, so it could be a potential zone to buy the stock cheaper before it moves higher. So here you can see that we were in a channel, downtrending in the channel, and now we're kind of breaking from that channel. And I want to show you this as well. So it is kind of forming a symmetric triangle in here. So we were actually in a downward trend. Now we're making actually a symmetrical triangle, which shows that we're actually collecting energy in the stock. And I believe if we can break above this area, which seems to be a significant area of resistance, the stock will have potential to reach to this area or even retest of the previous high, and maybe a little bit of consolidation in this area, after which it can potentially move higher. But I would say for now, just watch the stock and be careful. See if it can break this triangle area. If it can go above this resistance, then look for potential long positions to move it to this level, to this high, or to this area, to the previous high. I would say when you get here, offload some of your shares, take some profit, take money off some of your money off the table, and maybe put the stop loss at break even and look for a better price to sell at probably 95 to 100 bucks. Let's move to the next stock, which is Baba. So here you can see that Baba was kind of correcting itself. So if you go on a daily chart, we can see that Baba was in a long-term bull run because of the pandemic. Now it was correcting itself for a bit, and now when we go to a lower time frame, let's say hourly chart, I can clearly see a bull flag pattern, and it seems like today we actually kind of break that area, break that flag. So it seems very bullish, and it is possible that we're going to test the 280 area, which is the resistance here. So this gap will act as a resistance, and I think if we fill this gap and we stay around this area, the stock can actually retest the previous highs at around 320 to 322. So as of now, the way that I will trade this personally is that tomorrow I'll try to buy it cheaper at around 262, 263, and I'll put my stop loss below the previous swing low at around 251.40, and I'm looking to sell my shares at around 280, which is this area. Then after that, I will wait to see if we can fill this gap at 290, and if we can stay around this area, then I will look for another potential buy opportunity to ride this to the previous highs at around 315 to 320. Let's look at the GM stock now. So here we are on an hourly chart again. Here you can see that GM was in a bull trend, and now it was correcting itself, and the way that I see it is a falling wedge, and we actually broke that today, and I can see another symmetrical triangle in here. So it is bullish. If the stock goes below this level, it can go further down. But as of now, I think it has potential to retest the previous high, or even potentially go to around 60 areas. So during the next trading session, I will go probably to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, and I try to look for a bullish pattern, let's say an ascending triangle or a bull flag in a lower time frame. I'll go long, and I put my stop loss below this area, and I'll look for the stock to retest this previous high at around 56.5, and I'll actually close my position here and wait and see how it plays. But if you're a longer term or swing trader, you can potentially hold this towards $60. Always try to first manage your risk. So I personally risk 0.075% of my account per trade, and if you do that consistently over a course of 2-3 years, probably you can have a consistent amount of money that you can anticipate to make from the stock market. So never risk more than 1% of your account per trade, and try to trade safe, and do not risk more than what you can lose. So these are the stocks for today, and keep these stocks on your watch list: Snow, MNST, BABA, GM. I actually 2 days ago I had a video about eBay, MARA, and ACB and CRSR. So let's look at how these guys were play out. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So for CRSR, I am waiting for a daily close above the 45.10, and after that I'll go long. You can watch my previous videos to see why I'm looking for this area. I'm waiting for daily close above the 45, 46 area. Then I'll go long and I'll put my stop loss at around 38.70, and I'll look for new highs around $55. The next stop that I actually like is ACB. As you can see here, the ACB is in a bullish triangle pattern, and I'm actually in this trade, and I'm looking for a retest of the previous highs at around 1898. So let's see how this one will play. The next stock that I'm in that as well is MARA, and it is a bull flag pattern that we just broke out of that, and I'm looking to this stock to test or retest the previous high, and my stop list below the previous swing low. And eBay is actually I was waiting for a better price to get around 52.75, but because of this bull flag on a daily chart, let's go to daily. So but it is gone, and I'll probably cancel my old order tomorrow. These were my analysis for today, guys. At the end of this video, I would like to thank you for watching. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safe, manage your risk, and see you in the next video.